Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, hope you had a fantastic day. Right now, we are shooting a Clickbank challenge. Okay, we're shooting a My Lead Gen Secret Clickbank challenge. We're grabbing a offer from Clickbank and we're promoting the My Lead Gen Secret system. And we're putting those together and we're somehow seeing if we can earn income or earn a full-time income doing that. Okay. So if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to day number 1 of this video so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. And right now we are on day number 26, guys. We've made it. Day number 26. We're just a few more days, and this challenge, 30-day challenge, is going to be up, and we'll be heading to the next 30 days, okay, to see the results. And I'm excited on what's to come, okay. So we made it to day number 26, and today is May the 5th. Today, okay, it's Monday, and I am back with another video to show you guys how you can earn income promoting the mailing system with My Lead Gen Secret system. You can use the traffic there. You can grab an offer from a free network, preferably Clickbank, okay? And we're going to grab that offer. We're going to put those together. We're going to somehow see if we can get results, and in the end, start earning commissions and earn income with the system, okay? With this method. So I'm back here with another video, guys. I'm not going to take too much of your time. I'm just going to show you guys how to send out an email in the system and then show you the results from the email that we sent out last night. All right. So let's go ahead and get to it. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is a email service that's going to, let me go ahead and log back in, guys, because I've been in it. Let's just go to one of these accounts. I've been in this account for a while, so it did time out. Now, My Lead Gen Secret is a email service that's going to provide you 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. We call them Make Money Online, right? So these people that are coming to the My Lead Gen Secret, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. Okay. So our job as affiliate marketers is we go out and we find a offer that's related to making money online. Okay. We grab that offer, we create an email, whether that be the free email swipes from the vendor, or we go to Chat GPT and we create our own email. Or if you're pretty good at, copywriting or creating your own emails, you can use that and promote to this system. Okay, either way, but Chat GPT is probably going to be the best way, the quickest way, where you can use those emails and be able to come to the system and send out an email. And then there you have it. Okay. So My Lead Gen Secret, I totally love the service, guys. I've been with them over 3 years now. I promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. You can go back and watch the earlier videos in this channel and you can see the different challenges that I've created. And we've tested out different offers that does work. Okay. So I'm just showing you guys, how this stuff is done. Now, for this specific challenge that we're doing, okay, guys, we're promoting one offer for 1 year for 365. We're going to promote one offer and see if we can earn a full-time income from it. Okay. So that's going to be exciting. It's going to be something that you guys want to pay attention to. So if you guys want to get started, if you guys are looking to earn extra income, each month, that could be whether you need money for groceries to put food on the table, you need to pay maybe electric bill or maybe a car payment that's coming up, your mortgage or rent that you have coming up. Okay, if you need those extra bills paid, this is going to allow you to earn the extra income to pay those bills. Okay, so this is the system, guys. If you want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. So if you guys want to go ahead and get started, go below this video. Okay, click on more here, and there's going to be a link to the My Lead Gen Secret system. Let me know once you guys sign up. I'll go ahead and send you guys some special emails and just cool stuff that can get you going and get you started. Okay, so that's how you would do it. All right. So the My Lead Gen Secret system is an awesome service. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This will be your back office. If you guys get started today, this is what your back office is going to look like. You got your home screen. Your account is going to look exactly like this. The only thing that's going to be different are going to be the email swipes that you're using. Okay, they may not be the same as mine. All right. So also we got my lead tab here. This is going to show you all the leads that are coming in this specific account. I'm getting 100 emails per day. Okay, the difference between 100 to 200 is how many accounts that you have, right? Now I have 8 different accounts. that I promote and I send out emails every single day to. Okay. Now you don't have to start off with 8. You can start off maybe 2, 3, 5 accounts. Okay. Will be the sweet spot. And you can also go up to 10 or 15 if you have the budget to do so. Okay. Just make sure that if you do have multiple accounts, that you have the budget to keep those accounts until you start earning income and you can start seeing the return on your investment. All right. So if you guys want to get started with the system, there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. So as you can see, today is May the 5th. I did get my 100 leads today. I did send out my email before this video, guys, to kind of get ahead of you and save a little bit of time. So I've sent out my email address today, or my email today. Okay. And it went out to a brand new 100 people that have never seen my email before. And those people got to see my offer today. Okay. So the next one is going to be the next tab is going to be email swipes. These are additional email swipes that you can buy. It does cost you $30 to buy those emails. Okay. And they're written by a 7-figure email marketer. If you want to go ahead and grab those emails, you're more than welcome to do so. But for the sake of this video, we're going to use the free email swipes from the vendor from the offer that we're promoting. Okay. The where you're going to be hanging out the most, guys, is going to be the mailing system. So go ahead and click on the mailing system if you're following along. Okay. And what we would do is we're going to click on this right here where it says select all. We're going to grab all the emails that we have collected and we're going to select them to move them over to the portal. That way, when we send out one email, it's going to go out to everyone that's listed in this list. Okay. This account that I have has over 51,000 people, subscribers in it. So we're going to send out one email to 51,000 people, okay, which is pretty awesome, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to get ready to send this email out, okay? As you can see, if you sent out a email before in Gmail or Bing or Outlook, whatever type of email service that you have, it's going to always be the same thing for every one of them. It's going to be a subject line that you're going to have to put. And then there's also going to be a body of text that you're going to have to put. You're going to always want to click on perfect timing, which is basically the system for My Legion Secret. They know when people are looking at their emails. They're going to send those emails out whenever people are getting ready to look at their emails, which is pretty cool how they're able to do that. Okay. So let's go ahead and the offer that we're promoting is going to be live chat jobs from Clickbank, okay? Which is going to look exactly like this. And if you guys don't know what Clickbank is, right? If you've been, in a cave or under a rock or something like that, Clickbank is a network marketing platform where you can go and you can promote other people's offers that they've created and you can earn a commission, okay? And that's called affiliate marketing, all right? It's playing the middleman between what someone wants and what someone has created, okay? And we're just there to supply the need for someone that's looking for a specific item, okay, or a specific end result, all right? So this is the Clickbank. It is free to get started, guys. It doesn't cost you a dime to get started. You can come here and create a free account. You can have an account going by today. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and log into the system. All right. And I'll show you guys where to go. Okay. Now I created a brand new account just for you guys, just for this challenge. Okay. Do have a multiple Clickbank accounts for different programs that I'm promoting and different stuff that I'm doing. So just to let you know, I just created this account back in March. So just for you guys, because I know I was going to do this 365 challenge just for you. Okay. So you would go over to the marketplace and the offer that we're going to promote, the niche that we're in is the e-business, e-marketing. We're not promoting any other niches, just the make money online niche in Clickbank. Okay. Now, all of these offers, guys, they have free email swipes. Okay. Which is really, really cool because we don't have to, and they're made to convert. Okay. So we're going to promote this live chat job. So what you will want to do if you're promoting that same offer, and you don't have to promote live chat jobs, guys, you can go to paid social media jobs or write app reviews or paid online jobs. Okay, whichever one you want. But for the sake of this video, we're going to promote this live chat jobs. And the reason is because they have a rebill of $27.88. And then as affiliate marketers, we get our cut of 85%, 75 to 85%, and we're going to get an additional $20 back each and every month someone stays on the program. And what I found out from research and testing is that someone stays on at least 3 to 6 months okay, that they'll stay with the program. Okay, so that's 3 to 6 months that you're going to get $20 over and over and over again. That's going to get a rebill. On top of that, we're getting brand new visitors that come in for the dollar trial. We don't get anything for the trial. After the 3 days, they get billed for the system. $20, $27. We keep $20 of that, and then that person is getting billed over and over and over again each month. The whole end result here, guys, is to get multiple people signing up every single day. Every month, we got a rebill coming in and a brand new sale. Okay. So we want to stack those $20 offers, right, guys? This stuff is awesome, guys. It's fun to do. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay. So what we would do is click on affiliate tab. Once you click on affiliate tab, it's going to bring up this offer right here, which is live chat jobs, social sales rep. And what you will want to do is go here to the email swipes, and we're going to promote. These are the free email swipes from this vendor. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here, and let's go ahead and go down. I know yesterday we I think we sent out email number 6. Let's go ahead and send out this one right here, email number 7. All right. All we have to do is grab the subject line. This email is already set up for us, guys. So all we got to do is copy and paste it over to the system. Very easy to do. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here. All right. And let's go ahead and go up to the subject line, and we want to click on Control V. All right. That's it. Come down here to the body, guys, and then we want to grab this body, and we want to grab the body from the vendor. Okay. And we want to come here. They already got an email for us. So we'll just grab this text. Okay. Just copy it. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system. Control V. That easy, guys. Boom. Well, you want to take out the where it says signature. You want to either put in your name or management, whichever one you want to do. Okay. And where it says high name, we're going to put the embedded code that's given to us. Okay. Right here. Okay. You have different embedded codes. We can address our prospect by their full name. Hey, Jermaine Shaw, or first name, hey, Jermaine, or just the last name, hey, Shaw, right? So the best way to address our prospect is going to be by their first name. It's just more personable. Okay. So when we send out this email, let's go ahead and go here, take this out right here, guys. And we want to Control V, and we want to put in where it says hi first name. So we're addressing our prospect by their first name. Hi, Jermaine. Hi, John. Hi, whatever your name is. Okay. So, and then it goes into the email, right? So you just want to proofread your email. Everything looks good because it's already pre-written for you. Now, right here where it has the bold text, we want to take this and we want to make this a clickable link. Okay. Let's go back over to the vendor where the free email swipe is. Under every email, okay, that we're sending out, there's going to be a affiliate link that is attached to this email. Okay. So what we do is we're going to take this email right here where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID, your Clickbank ID. You're going to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Whatever that is, whenever you set up your account, and you're going to put that in there. So that way you get the credit for the sale. Okay. So let's go ahead and Control V. All right, and let's go ahead and go back here, and we're going to take this where it says your affiliate ID, take this out, okay, and put in your affiliate ID. That way you get the commission whenever you send out the email, all right? Click on OK. What that does, it turns that into a clickable link, as you can see. Come down here where it says hit this link to apply. Go ahead and grab that one and make that a clickable link as well. Control V, right? Take this out, and then take your affiliate ID right here, guys, and put in your affiliate ID. Don't put in Jermaine. Okay. Put in your affiliate ID so that way you get the commission for this email. All right. So click on OK. What that does, we have two different links that are supposed to go to our affiliate page. That way, when our prospect sees our email, you get the credit for the email. Okay. That's very important. There's going to be two tabs below whenever you send this email. One is going to say preview and one is going to say send now. Okay. You want to click on preview and you want to click on these links. Make sure they go to your affiliate link so that way you can get the credit. Click on both links. And once they do, you can click on send. Boom. That's it. We just sent out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system with your affiliate link in it. And then that way you start gaining that traffic, gaining that momentum, guys. And then eventually you're going to start making sales in it. First of all, I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything with this system, okay? Because I don't know you, okay? I don't know if you're going to go out and follow the steps that I'm showing you right now. Okay. I don't know if you're going to go out and get accounts, get a multiple accounts. I don't know if you're going to take this thing seriously and do it. So that's why I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything. Okay. But what I can guarantee you is that if you apply what I'm showing you here, okay, if you do exactly what I'm telling you to do today, what I'm showing you to do today, okay, you will see progress. You will see traffic and you will start making sales. Okay. That's a guarantee. All right. So just wanted to throw that out there, guys, because a lot of people come in here and think that you can just send out an email and you're going to make money. And most people just give up. Okay. I'm someone that's been with the system for a while. I've already done been through that, not making money and then making money here and there. And then now I've done been with them so long, guys. I know what works and what doesn't work. And that's why I'm here to show you guys. All right. So that's how you send out an email in the system. Okay. In the mileage and secret system. Let's go ahead and go over here to Clickbank. Okay. Let's just go ahead and see how we did today, if we got any results today. Okay. Let's go ahead and hop on over here. All right. Today is the 5th of May. Okay. Today we did get over 1,100 hops, which is really good, guys. We got 805 unique hops. Okay. We got one initial order form impression, which is someone that went to the checkout page. They decided to whip out the wallet and decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Unfortunately, we didn't get any initial sales today. Okay. But we did get a rebill. Okay. Of $41.36. Okay. Which is pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and go over here to the accounts tab. Let's see where that sale came from, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look here. Okay, so as if you guys been following these video series, what happened was we sent out an email a few days ago. We got a free trial. So one of those sales is coming from the free trial that's ended, and today was the day that we would have got the sale today because that person got rebill for the service. They stayed with us and wanted to join the program, and they got the rebill. Okay, they got billed for the program, and then also we got a rebill, guys, from last month. Okay, so that's what happened, guys. We got a rebill from last month, and then we got someone to sign up for the free trial. Okay, which made it $40, and that is the whole goal of this whole method that I've been trying to show you guys. This is what I've been preaching to you guys for 26 days now. Okay. You do the work one time, you get paid, they complete the free trial, and then they get billed over and over and over and over again each month until they decide to quit. And then we're steady getting free trials coming in, and those people are getting billed every month. Okay. So it's just going to snowball into really what we're trying to accomplish here. Okay, guys. So that's it, guys. Someone signed up. Okay, for a few days ago, whenever we sent out an email, someone signed up for the free trial, and then that person signed up for the free trial. They got billed for the free trial today. Okay, and then also we got a rebill from last month. Okay, which is, as you can see right here, it was April the 5th, which was last month. Okay, this person has already signed up, and then they got rebuilt today because they're still with the system. All right. So this stuff is powerful, guys. All right. I'm just going to show you guys this. And if you guys want to get started, guys, get started at the link below this video. This stuff is going to get good. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You haven't seen anything yet. Okay, guys. This is just a little taste of what's going to be happening in the future. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm not going to take any more of your time. I just wanted to show you the results that we got today, and then also how to send out an email in the system. Okay, today we did earn some money today. We didn't get the initial sale that we wanted. Okay, but eventually the whole goal here, guys, like I said, is to get initial sales every single day. We got somebody signing up for free trials every single day, and then we're earning that $20 every 3 days, and then also getting that rebill from last month or the previous months. All right, and those previous months, this is why I wanted to shoot it for a year, because those previous months, guys, are going to add up, and those $20 are going to stack up on top of each other. And this is how we're going to earn income. This is how we're going to we're going to earn a full-time income out of it, guys. So you guys are going to be with me every step of the way. I'm going to shoot a video every single day. I'm not going to miss a beat for you guys, okay? And I'm just going to show you how you guys get done. If you guys want to get started, click the link below this video. Go ahead and get started. Stop procrastinating. Go ahead and get started. Earn that extra income that you need for you and your family. I'm going to end this video on that note, guys. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.